Hello friends! In honor of Hello Kitty's birthday month, we're going to show you how to make super cute apple-scented bath bombs. Hello Kitty is all about self-care, and this easy craft is just what you need to make the perfect gift that you can share with a friend or keep for yourself. At the end of the video, we'll show you other adorable self-care products that you can purchase for the ultimate spa day at home. Here's what you'll need: a few tablespoons of coconut or olive oil, a half cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of baking soda, a half cup of Epsom salt, a half cup of citric acid, a medium mixing bowl and a whisk, apple-scented oil, eco glitter, soap dye, and a Hello Kitty silicone mold. Let's start the fun! First, add all the dry ingredients into a bowl, just like this. Next, add a tablespoon of coconut oil and a few drops of scented oil. We're going to use this yummy apple-scented oil because Hello Kitty loves apples. Gradually add in more oil until the mixture sticks together like this. Now it's time to add dye and eco glitter. You pick whichever color you love. Once you've added the color, mix everything up. Nice. We're using this super cute silicone mold. Fill each section with your mixture and pack it down like this. Set the mold aside to dry for 24 hours. Remove the bath bombs from the mold once they're dry. Hello Kitty loves red, so we're going to use rubbing alcohol, a paintbrush, red soap dye, and a little bowl to paint her bow. Just paint on a little bit, otherwise the alcohol will activate the bath bomb. Make as many colors of bath bombs as you like. We're going to use gift bags, tissue paper, and Hello Kitty ribbon to create little spa day packages. Ah, what a fun gift! Let's add some adorable Hello Kitty must-have items. First, we have this Hello Kitty watermelon macaron lip balm. It's made with love and vitamin E to care for lips. No spa day is complete without getting a wonderful facial and glowing skin. Facials are the best part of the spa experience, so we're going to include this Hello Kitty holographic peel-off mask. It smells like apple essence and rose, and it's so pretty. 15 minutes is all it takes for this holographic peel-off mask to remove impurities safely and effectively while minimizing pores. What a sweet spa day gift. Self-care is important. Always remember to be kind to yourself. Do you want more Hello Kitty birthday fun? Don't forget to tune into our special Hello Kitty birthday episode on the new Hello Kitty and Friends Super Cute Adventures animated series this month. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.